Hi guys, it's so good to be back and talking with you all again. I'm so excited to be here. Honestly, so excited. I really want to say a big thank you to everyone who left a comment on my last video. Thank you for your prayers. Thank you for your words of encouragement. Thank you for just taking out your time and dropping those very, very nice comments. I read them. Some of them almost made me shed a tear. I mean, it just shows how much you guys really, really care for me, and I'm so grateful. And I'm better. I'm okay. I'm taking every day one step at a time. Like I've always been, and I just know that God is working in my body, and I don't even have to worry about all of that. That's for my health. Yeah, my skin is another thing that has been giving me issues. Like it's nothing, like it's not cause for alarm, but I've always known that I've had oily skin. I mean, it's something that I've always battled with. And looking at my skin right now, you can see I have a lot of, or not a lot, I have some post acne marks and scarring going on the sides of my face, some of my forehead, around here. And yeah, so I've been in and out of using one product or the other. So about a month ago, I recently purchased this oil-free acne wash by Neutrogena. Yeah, so far so good. I think it's just a really nice acne wash. The one I was using before was from Xyron Cosmetics, one of their oil-free acne wash. Well, I finished using that one and I didn't think it was doing the job for me, basically. Yeah, so when I went to the store, this one caught my attention. I think it caught my attention because I was already a big fan of using this toner by Neutrogena as well. This is the 2-in-1 fight and fade toner, rapid clear 2-in-1 fight and fade toner. I started using this about maybe 2020 or 2021, and I have good reviews about this product. But then again, I think my skin is so used to this toner that it doesn't actually do anything for me. This is my thoughts, guys. Like, I'm not saying these products are bad. This is my thoughts, okay? And I'm not a product junkie, so I don't really just buy this, buy that. I try to use a product and use it very well, and then by the time I'm done with the product, I look at my skin, then I come to a conclusion if I want to repurchase it or just look for something else, do my research and purchase something else. Okay, so this is what I used to wash my face today, and now I'm going to proceed to my skin is already dry. I did not towel dry or use anything on my face. I just let it dry while I was trying to set up. So my face is pretty dry and it feels tight just a little bit. So I would follow up with my toner. This is exactly what I used to do. This product is supposed to help fight breakouts in under 8 hours and also fade the look of post acne marks. And there was a time my skin was really, really bad, and I got this product and the Neutrogena acne treatment. It really worked in clearing up my skin. As of last year into January, my skin was in a really good place, but I don't know how I managed to get back to this. So I'm trying my best to work my way back to what my skin used to look like, and I'm trying to take it one step at a time. So if you're battling with acne like me and you're also trying to take it one step at a time, please let me know in the comment section what products you're currently using and how they've been working for you so far. So let's get into this. So ideally I would wash my hands first before I even touch my skin. So I'm using a face wipe to clean my hands first, because my hands must have touched a lot of things like my tripod, my phone, and even this product. So I'm just cleaning my hands very well before I start. And please guys, I'm not just doing this for camera's sake. I always wash my hands before I even wash my face. It's important, and if you don't do that yet, you need to start learning to do that, okay? Okay, so one of the things I learned while I was doing my research about acne and pimples is that you should never ever pop your pimples, okay? And they said if you pop your pimples, you'll be doing more damage than good. One of the reasons they say that is because after you pop the pimple and it's gone, it's going to leave some sort of scarring on your skin. I was a big believer of, and I would look at pimples on my face and I would basically not touch them. I won't touch them at all, and I saw a lot of difference on my skin. But later, as in now, I just realized that the type of acne I'm getting now, whether I touch them or not, they still end up leaving scarring on my skin, and I'm like, what is going on? I think it's I don't know how to say it. Even when I don't touch them, they still leave scarring or post acne mark on my skin, and it's just really really frustrating, and it's also very annoying when you have to walk around with and you have pimples with pus in your on your face. It's like very, it's not cute basically, yeah. And that brings me to my next point. People see you and that's the first thing they want to point out, you know, especially here. There are a lot of people who don't know, they don't know their boundaries, right? And until you put them in their place, which is going to be sound, which can sound rude to them or something, you know, I'm a big believer of, when you see somebody, don't be quick to call out their insecurities. I'm calling it insecurities now because I feel like my skin, I don't feel very confident 100 when I go out and I'm not wearing makeup, because I know I have some pimples and acne on my skin, and immediately people might just judge me based off of what they can see. You know, I used to do that, but not anymore. I'm constantly teaching myself every day not to see somebody, I mean somebody you've not even seen for a long time, and then you're seeing them now, and the first thing you're pointing out is, oh my god, you have added weight, your skin is so rough, what are you doing to your skin? And then you immediately see them start prescribing something for you. Guy, you're not a dermatologist, you're not a skin doctor, you're not an esthetician or esthetician. Don't prescribe anything for me, and if supposedly thinking is going to work for me. I feel like that's how a lot of people have gone and damaged their skin, because this person said that, that person said that, that person said that. A lot of us might be battling with acne, but some of us might just have very different skin conditions or hormones or whatever that is triggering the acne. So it's important that you figure your thing out for yourself and know exactly what's up with your skin and know exactly what you're doing about it. So that your skin and having good skin is a process. It's not something that will happen overnight. So if you know this and you're very convinced about it, somebody cannot easily just come and convince you that, oh, that wash you're using, don't worry, come and buy this one will work. No. It's important you stay true to yourself. So let me move to my next skincare thing. So I already applied the toner on my face and it's already dried down. So the next thing I'd like to apply is my acne treatment. And for my acne treatment, I like to use the benzoyl oxy 10. It's an advanced unbeatable acne treatment. So I'll apply this. I usually apply this in spots, but now I just think that I'll apply it all over my skin, like a lotion all over my face, you know. This is how I do it now. So I put it at the back of my hand, then I scoop out everything and put it on my palm and just press to my skin and under my jaw. I like to think that your face, your neck, your chest and your ears and even the back of your neck is all part of your face. So whatever it is you're doing to your face, ensure that it gets to your neck and your ears and your chest area, because sometimes I find out that I also have some acne on my chest, not a lot, and I try my best not to even pinch it or even try to pop it. I just apply my toner on it and then apply my acne treatment on it, and that's it. I don't go in to try to press it. I feel like that's how people are left with a lot of acne scars on their body, because they keep trying to pinch it, they keep trying to pop it, and it's often 99.9% of the time is going to leave scarring on your skin that's going to take you a longer time to get rid of, you see. So alright guys, so the next thing I'm going to spray on my face is this green, I think it's a green tea water. It's just like green tea water. I put it in this Mario Badescu facial spray bottle, yeah, because I don't want to be wasting it. So I'm just going to spray it on my face to bring back hydration, because after the treatment, after the toner and the treatment, my face still feels kind of dry. So I'm just going to spritz this all over my face. And I will be following up with my hyaluronic acid from Balanced Active Formula. I've been using these two for a couple of months now. So this is going to help to bind all the hydration I have on my skin. Almost immediately I would like to follow up with my moisturizer. It's called Hydrates. I've been using these two for a couple of months, and this moisturizer actually does contain hyaluronic acid, and it's just very good for my skin. How to use: squeeze a small amount and pat evenly onto clean skin, day and night as a moisturizer or as a makeup base. And one of the key ingredients here is hyaluronic acid, glycerin, arbutin, collagen, vitamin E and vitamin B5, and some other distilled water and one other thing that I cannot pronounce. Okay, so I'm just going to pat this all over my skin. So for my lips, I'll be using the Xyron lip hydrating therapy. I love it so much. Run like that. So for my skin sunscreen, this is the one I use. It's a sunblock whitening cream. When I saw that whitening, it scared me because I was like, please, I don't want any product that will bleach me, you know. And the girl, the sale attendant was telling me, no, it's not whiten your skin. Basically, one thing I don't like about it is that it leaves a white cast on my face. I swear it does, it really does. The instruction says to apply small, and I'm going to apply small. And even that small step that I apply, it still leaves a white cast, okay? And I try to apply it on, so I'm going to use that much. I like to apply this on my face and all the areas of my body that's exposed to the sun, okay? Okay, so to blend this out, let's go. Okay guys, so this is what my skin is looking like. I know you can still see the white cast. Yep, it's right there. I can see it. It's very obvious. It's not going anywhere, and the truth is, this is how my face is going to be from morning till night. So I'm thankful that I was able to come through with a video today. I don't know if you learned anything from my skincare or you just enjoyed listening to me, but either ways, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, click on the bell so that you always get notification every time we upload a new video. And yeah, so I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye. Mwah.